Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For that perfect flaky texture, ensure you have 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, prepare 3/4 cup of cold buttermilk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Next, use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut in the cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually pour in the cold buttermilk, mixing just until the dough comes together. Be careful not to overmix. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it 5 to 6 times. It's time to bake those beautiful biscuits. Arrange your cut biscuits about 1 inch apart on an ungreased baking sheet. This spacing helps them rise evenly. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the tops are a lovely golden brown. For an extra touch of richness, brush the warm biscuits with melted butter right out of the oven. Here are a few final tips for biscuit success. Remember, the key to tender, flaky biscuits is not to overwork the dough. Handle it gently. Also, use a sharp biscuit cutter and press straight down without twisting to ensure a good rise. For those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade biscuits, they're best fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.